Sadiq Khan was elected as the first Muslim mayor of London in 2016. He was also city's first mayor and first member of UK Parliament to attend the cabinet having Pakistani heritage. He was re-elected as mayor in 2021. Mayor Khan had a distinguished parliamentary career. He was elected member of UK Parliament for Tooting in 2005. He was appointed Minister of State for Communities in 2008 and later became Minister of State for Transport. He later served as the Shadow Secretary of State for Justice and the Shadow Minister for London, leading the London Labour's Party election campaign into the 2015 general elections. Mayor Khan has always worked very closely to forge closer ties with the Pakistani community, particularly focusing on inspiring the young up-and-coming generations, who play a key role in the ongoing self-development of both countries. He also showed keen interest in promoting economic and cultural relations between Pakistan and the United Kingdom. He was the first mayor of London to undertake trade mission to Pakistan in December 2017. He was accompanied by senior business executives from London. The delegation met with senior politicians and business stakeholders in Islamabad, Lahore, and Karachi. The trip helped increase trade links between London and Pakistan, strengthening connections across culture and creative industries, and promoting the opportunities in London for tourism, students, and business leaders. Thank you very much.